If you've shopped online, chances are you've bought from a business powered by Shopify. You know that purple Shop Pay button you see at checkout? The one that makes buying so incredibly easy? That's Shopify. And there's a reason so many businesses sell with it, because Shopify makes it incredibly easy to start and run your business. Shopify is the commerce powerhouse behind 10% of all e-commerce in the US, from household names like Mattel and Gymshark to brands just getting started. So get your own brand online with hundreds of beautiful, ready-to-go templates, and forget about the coding. Tackle your tasks in one place, from inventory to payments to analytics, and get the word out with built-in marketing and email tools to find and keep new customers. That purple Shop Pay button that's used by millions of businesses around the world is just one reason Shopify has the best converting checkout on the planet. If you want to see less carts being abandoned, it's time for you to head over to Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR. In business, they say you can have better, cheaper, or faster, but you only get to pick two. What if you could have all three? You can with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. OCI is the blazing fast hyperscaler for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI needs, where you can run workloads for less compared with other clouds. OCI costs up to 50% less for compute, 70% less for storage, and 80% less for networking. Try OCI for free at oracle.com/DCR. Oracle.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, September 22nd, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $112,956. ETH is up slightly at $4,184. XRP is down slightly at $2.81. Strategy has added 850 Bitcoin for about $100 million, bringing its total stash to 639,835 Bitcoin, worth around $72 billion at an average cost of $73,971 per Bitcoin, showing about $25 billion in paper gains. Strategy was recently excluded from the S&P 500 in favor of AppLovin, Robinhood, and Imcore, a move some analysts called bias against Bitcoin. Saylor also joined lawmakers in D.C. to discuss potential U.S. reserves of 1 million BTC. Crypto markets saw $1.7 billion in liquidations over the past 24 hours, with $1.6 billion from long positions affecting more than 400,000 traders. The largest single hit was a $12 million Bitcoin USDT swap on OKX. The wave came as Bitcoin slipped 3%. China's securities regulator has informally told major brokerages to pause real-world asset tokenization efforts in Hong Kong, citing risk management and the need to tie claims to actual operations, according to Reuters. The move, which has already reached at least two brokers, could slow Hong Kong's tokenization drive just as the city pushes licensing for crypto activity and a stablecoin regime. Real-world asset tokenization has drawn heavy global momentum, with the EU, London Stock Exchange, Dubai, and other major players all advancing initiatives. Beijing, however, remains cautious following its 2021 crypto ban, recently asking brokers to halt research promoting stablecoins. Well, the firm Midas, in partnership with Axelar, has launched mXRP, a tokenized XRP product targeting a 6 to 8% base yield paid in XRP, with the potential to exceed 10% when deployed across DeFi protocols. Users mint mXRP by depositing XRP collateral into strategies managed by third-party risk curators like Hypertham, with yield used to buy more XRP, making the structure a perpetual buyer of the token. Midas says the product differentiates itself from standard savings-style earn accounts by being a transferable ERC-20 compatible with DeFi, aiming to boost low-yield XRP DeFi markets. The firm projects that $10 billion in mXRP assets by 2026 at a 7% yield could generate $700 million in annual buying pressure for XRP. And finally, Behold, a new UK firm focused on Bitcoin Treasury and Lightning infrastructure, listed after raising about $21 million through the issue of 109 million new shares, backed by Coin Corner, which holds 14% of shares, and Blockstream CEO Adam Back, who owns 26%. The company is led by Freddie New, with Coin Corner CEO Danny Scott as Chief Bitcoin Officer. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
Hi, I'm Rick Rubeck.
And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Welcome to our chart-topping podcast from the Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small. This series lets you in on a special way to become an entrepreneur, how to buy your own business, be your own boss, and get the financial benefits of your efforts. Entrepreneurship through acquisition involves searching for an existing, enduringly profitable, smaller business and buying it, usually from a retiring founder.
Back for a brand new season, our conversations are with guests from all backgrounds and different stages of the entrepreneurship through acquisition journey. From those considering whether this path is right for them, all the way through to those who have sold the businesses they bought as searchers and then ran as CEOs. Thousands of smaller firms are sold every year, and many people have successfully acquired an existing business that is enduringly profitable. So why not you too?
We've been helping students understand this less traveled path to personal and professional independence in our courses at the Harvard Business School for nearly 15 years. But you don't have to attend the Harvard Business School to take advantage of these opportunities. The goal of the Think Big, Buy Small podcast is to help you, our listeners, decide if entrepreneurship through acquisition is for you, and if it is, to help you take your first steps on the journey to buying your own business. Follow Think Big, Buy Small wherever you get your podcasts.
It's hard to remember now, but the internet used to be fun.
I can't believe how easy it is to surf the net. Surf's up!
On Long Shadow, Breaking the Internet, we'll trace how a tool that once fueled democracy
Opposition activists organized the march on Facebook.
became a weapon aimed at the very heart of it.
You're watching the unraveling of our democracy right now.
From Longlead and PRX, this is Long Shadow, Breaking the Internet. Subscribe now wherever you get your podcasts.